Do you want to know how you can change the background color in Metatrader 5? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the background color in Metatrader 5. Go ahead and open Metatrader 5, which is on your phone. Click on the left hand side and you can see settings. Go to settings, scroll a bit down and you can see choose theme, and if you click on it there are three options: system default, light and dark. If you choose on system default, it will copy your system's theme and it will be light or dark accordingly. But if you click light, it will turn into light mode, and if you choose on dark, it will automatically be dark. So guys, this is how you change your background color. Let me show it to you once again. Open Metatrader 5, click on the left hand side. This is the option which you can click and go to settings. After you go to settings, scroll a bit down and choose the theme over here. And you can see there are three: system default, light and dark. Tap on this and your background color will be changed. So guys, this is how you change your background color on Metatrader 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.